Whether it's extreme temperatures, location, or just circumstance, a hindrance on one's ability to consistently wash their vehicle can present itself at a moment's notice. Enter Turtle Wax's Hybrid Wash and Wax Waterless Cleaning, the one-step formula for washing your vehicle without the traditional bucket method, anytime, even in direct sunlight. Next-generation polymer technology encapsulates dirt, grime, road salt, and dust for a scratch-free wash, while proprietary waxes deliver a streak-free and protective high-gloss finish that repels water. To start with Hybrid Wash and Wax Waterless Cleaning, survey the vehicle for any caked-on mud or soil. If possible, rinse these areas with water first, otherwise spot clean any especially stubborn soils or stains first. Starting on upper surfaces and exterior glass and working with one small section or panel at a time, simply spray on product and follow with a clean, folded microfiber cloth, working in slow, straight wiping motions to first pick up the grime from the surface to be cleaned. Make sure to flip to clean sections of your microfiber cloth often and replace it when it becomes too diluted. Once initial wiping of a panel is complete, if any streaks from heavy grime remain, mist more of Hybrid Wash and Wax onto the section and with a clean microfiber cloth, buff to a clean, streak-free finish. Continue this process for the entirety of the vehicle's exterior surfaces, including trim, door jambs, and wheels, again working from the top to the bottom. The perfect solution for cleaning on the go, in urban environments, or during seasons of extreme temperature swings, Turtle Wax's Hybrid Wash and Wax Waterless Cleaning is there for those who strive to keep their car looking at its best through any and every turn.